Alright, what have we got? We have a cob rechargeable keychain light. Alright, so we have the light itself, we have a little manual, and the chargerator. I'll put the chargerator cable now. I charge this up. Now, the one thing that I did find when I went to charge this up is this. See, there's a magnet on the back. Of course, it's not doing it now. Anyway, I stuck this magnet to a piece of metal and the magnet just popped right out. Now, of course, it's not going to do it now. So we got our carabiner for hooking onto stuff and things. See if I can. Right, so obviously if you had a key loop, you could loop that in there quite easily. And of course I've done something stupid, so it's going to be hard. Oh, there we go. And it's fairly bright. You have to, this side here, on this side you've got your charging port. And then on the other side, you got your on-off button. So you've got full bright, and I'll light up the desk. Full bright, a little bit dimmer, seizure warning, and off. And it's got this nifty little kickstand so that you can set it at different angles. And it has a 1/4-20 thread on the bottom here, so that you can put it on little stands and whatnot. Do I have one handy? I thought I did have one kicking around here, ironically enough, but I don't see it. But anyway, this is a 1/4-20 camera thing. And let's see. Yep. It just screws in the bottom and breaks the whole thing into pieces, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very handy if you want to strip the thing down quickly. Big Clive should do a video of this, because this is amazing. So you've got your cob light, you've got a piece of foam here, and there's your battery, and I'm not gonna do a reverse engineering of this, because I'm not Big Clive. There is only one Big Clive, and yeah. Anyway, you have it right there. I'm doing a lot of items lately that I don't recommend, and I don't recommend this. It is check out the description and the title for the manufacturer, but yeah, don't buy this. It's a piece of shit.